Hi there, and we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out today, one of the top sellers. It's a retirement sale. They're retiring this offer. So there's 80 premium business kits, and it's a PLR offer. What does that mean? 80 different things, and the price is, I'll scroll down to it, but it's like 27, 28 bucks, something like I just looked at it, but it's gone from my head. So each one of these could have sold for, I don't know, 17 bucks, something like that. And there's 80 of them. So you get the idea. It's a huge sale. There's 4 days left. I'll show you the countdown. Let's go inside and take a look. It's from PLR Experts. There is a ton of stuff here. This is all yours. All of this, 80 premium business kits, unrestricted PLR. You can cut it apart, do what you want. Everything's yours. And like I said, we're here, 40 cents each for 80 of them. It's under 40 cents. I'm going to scroll. Oh, there's the countdown. Let's just show you that. So there are 4 days, 12 hours, 19. This is done on the 6th of November. So 4 days from now is the 10th. Gives you an idea what's going on. I'm going to show you just a couple. It'll get boring. There's 80 of these. I'll just rip through, and you can, the link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingshark.com. There's the price, $27.28. 80 fully loaded sales funnels, tutorials, modules, 200,000 words, unrestricted private rights. You're saving over $1,300 versus buying these individually. And let's go inside one of them. There's the countdown again. It's gone in 4 days. And these guys are part of their business plan. They just take things away. It's quite frustrating as an affiliate marketer, but whatever. Here you go. I'm just going to show you this one, and then I'll whip through a couple more, and then I'll go. There's 80 of these. You can look at it. And I'll mention again, you click the link in the video description, takes you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click on the product box that you've already seen, bit of a description of what's inside each one. Every bundle has sales funnels, lead magnets, upsells, promo videos, affiliate tools, full product delivery system. And there's 80 of these, 80 PLR products in this package for, I don't know, $27.28. Is that what it was? You can do anything you want. Turn them into courses, ebooks, challenges, break them into lead magnets, blog posts, resell them as standalone digital offers. I don't know, if you got one sale out of 80 of them, you're going to make $1,300 out of a $28 investment. Use them as training materials for your own clients or members. Each title is its own business, and 80 of them is a bunch of stuff. And there you click the product box at the top, the link at the bottom, and away you go. So, and that'll take you to this page. So you can scroll through. Are we here? Yes, we're here. All right, let's take a quick look. Unrestricted PLR, package number 1, 10 tips to crowdfund your business. So that's the PLR part. There's module 1 is the report. Module 2 is the sales page and delivery page. The graphics are there. Lead capture and delivery pages, which is like click here to get a free information on it. Affiliate center page for someone else to sell it for you. Affiliate promotional emails, and then 9 promotional banner graphics. So you get the pay. And here, let's keep going. Here's number 2, 20 e-commerce secrets for new entrepreneurs. Same package. I'm going to skip. They're selling these for 17 bucks. 7 steps to evaluate your next big idea. 20 money-making ideas in the gig economy. That's probably a pretty good one. 10 secrets to Amazon. What's FBA? Can't remember what that is. I think that's where Amazon sells it for you. 10 ways to boost online sales. Profitable Amazon FBA niche ideas. What is FBA? How come I can't remember that? 10 passive income ideas, surefire side hustle profits. That'll be a big seller. Success tip for solopreneur. You get the idea. 10 secrets to making more newbie guide to Zoom conferencing. So some of them are tutorial kind of things, and some of them are make money kind of ideas. Strengthen your business relationships. Engage with GoToWebinar. There you go, how to use the webinar thing. Launch your blog today, everything you need. So even though they just showed us one line there, module 1, ready to publish report. That's the thing. And the other stuff are the page to sell it and the page to give it to them. Click here to download, the graphics, lead capture to get a little quick email thing. And you can see further down, there's 3 affiliate promotional emails. So, hi, here's our product. Here's our product again. Oh my goodness, you better grab it now. That kind of stuff. And then 9 banner graphics. You've got everything to start selling each one of these. I'm not going to keep scrolling through all these different ones. We'll go to the last one here. Secrets to engage your audience. Okay, so again, you got all that. It's a $17 thing. Again, let's stream back up to where is the total of this? $27.28. There you go. For 28 bucks, you're saving over $1,300. You get to sell all of this. So click the link in the video description, take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Quick description there. Click the product box or the link at the bottom. It'll take you to this page, and you'll be able to grab it for $27.28 for the next 4 days. And then when the 4 days are over, it disappears. So grab it now. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is 80 Premium Business Kits PLR for $27.28. Go grab a copy. Enjoy.